Just a quick note before we dive in. This is educational content only. Liberty Trading Club is not a financial advisor. Everything you see here is for learning purposes only. Remember, trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So always do your own research and trade wisely.
Okay. I don't know how to change. Glued to it. Glued. All right. So what I would look for here on the ES. Just above where we started yesterday. And again, above the pivot, I think I would look for this counter, but we're still kind of neutral, like Stretch said this morning. Kind of pulled from a downtrend to really kind of neutral here. Man, it got cold last night. We got down to 50. I know. It got cold. Oh yeah, they have big coats on. I'm like, what? It's still Florida. Got down to 72 last night. Ooh, Stretch. Ooh, you guys are freezing. I don't think we're gonna see that. I'm trying to plan out stuff and be serious about it, but I don't think it can be. There's just not gonna. I'd like to see here. This is what I'd like to see, but it's not. I mean, whatever. I'd like to see us come kind of curl over here, give me a buy signal right here above the pivot, or get up to this line that I like here, give me a sell signal, maybe a little tiny M sell signal that they did before. That's it. I mean, keep it. It's that simple. I'm gonna do the first thing that happens, and then shall be done for the day. Get ready for a possible long bias on the M and Q. Um, you need what? $200 for it to be paid? I remind myself that things typically don't want to eat me. Oh, I have 0.75 seconds. Thanks for asking. All right. What do you mean? Uh, there should be. Well, there's a setting icon. There's one that says audio. I was just looking. I don't know. Huh. Reduce mic background noise. Oh, there you go. Genius. All right. 26 short. I don't know. I think that would have to that would have to come with setup. I think. Paul said the same thing I did. Neither do I. I don't know about a lot today. Yep, you're fine. Room mute. I can still hear you. I'll talk softer. I don't know how to fix that problem. Don't know how to fix it. I mean, we should be looking for Schwartz guys, but really, uh, looks a lot like we're gonna be sitting here in a little tiny two-way market. Looks a lot like that to me. So keep in mind, I'm gonna take whichever comes first, the short or the long. Looks like the long's gonna come first. So, I mean, the short's gonna come first. ready for that. Still had that long bias on the MNQ here. So my plan would be to after the open at some point, maybe about 6 minutes after the open. I don't know. What do you say about 6 minutes, Paul? Something like that. Turn this on to a long bias. That's my plan. Um, and then look for the first trade that comes out of the NQ at ES here as we creep toward the open. Creep it and creep it and creep it. Um, tell a joke, maybe. I don't know, Megan. It just have to set up perfect for me to want to take that short. It could possibly work, but I'll lose no volume. Oh, it does. It does look like it's going to work, doesn't it? Fun. No, I don't want to trade this market. That is. Okay, as we get ready for the open here, um, looks like the short worked out. Oh, I forgot to mess around with my lag, fix my lag. Not that it's going that fast anyway, but blazing fast here. Uh huh. I don't know if I really think that, but we'll see. I can tell you one thing: if it stays in this little tiny channel that it's in right now till 10, I'm out. I'm done. I am looking for that long, that long though, guys. I am looking for that long. The possible long. I'm just waiting for the long because the chart said that we should probably look for buys. Other than we're at a slight down, really call it neutral, if you will. Yep, a little bit of a long. I would agree on that. Oh, that 50 cents matters. 50 cents. Oh, mine still says 0.74 lag. What? I thought I just fixed that. Let me do that. Mm, that's odd. Hmm. All right, let's see if we can start thinking about this long on the M and Q. Give it a minute too longer, especially if we stay above where we're at right now. I gotta really kind of think about that long. Let's see, 933. Try to get that long on the ES. If it gets above this line I got here on the ES, that'd be really tickle my fancy. Morning, Todd. Um, yeah, the ideal trade would be for it to pop up above this 68.49 on the ES here and come back and give a little test. That'd be a good trade for you, Joe. NQ, I think anything that just pushes back down and gives you a long signal, take it now. The bird agrees. Well, I think so too. No, I think we could. I think that's completely in order. I mean, that I'm not going to be deep enough on orders to really matter that much. And the bottom of the orders is where I'd want to be buying from anyway. Yeah, got to get along one at least. I'm gonna go ahead and go long one at the market, and then I think I do want the other orders to be gotten somewhere like right here. I don't think maybe it comes back there one more time. Give me two orders there. Give me two above the pivot that happens, and two way back. And one target one go back up here. Let's see. This should be end up being a long signal happening here in a second on the ES, but it's a little hairy one. Well, it's guys, and also keep in mind too, we didn't expect a lot to happen this morning. We did not expect a lot, so don't low volume. Yeah, it's a holiday, right, Stretch? So I didn't expect anything to really be. Did not expect it. Did not expect a lot. We're just trying to grab a little juice here on the M and Q and trying to get along here on the ES, but not getting exactly what I want to get that. I mean, it is a long setting up, but it's not pretty at all. On the ES, it is. There it goes. Targets. All right. Well, there was your long, people. Could have done it. Could have done it, guys. That's about all I could say about that. Is that was long. Called it pretty clearly. Got a scalp. Okay, that's all right. I mean, that's about all we can do on this one. I probably should have taken my profit targets on that push up there with the M and Q here. At least there's some volume, right? I don't like this here now. Oh wait, I do like this. Never mind. And that's taking that twice, huh? Taking those two contracts a couple times now, I think. Yeah. I mean, it could keep toying with those two contracts. I'm not worried about that. Bigger double bottom on the ES. I might. It's a tough one. I'm still looking to be a buyer here, guys. I just not getting what I want to see. You're getting a little two-way price action. Yeah, I think I'm gonna kill this in profits here on the M and Q and think about going kill it in some profits and think about going two directions. I think I'm actually really thinking about going two directions with this. To be honest with you, let me think about this for a second. I should. Uh, I need to. You know what? Yeah. Let me rethink this. Let me think on this for a second. Just afraid of this. That's all. But it's. I mean, at the end of the day, there's still plenty of people buying down here. This is really where I thought the range would be today. So if you did a two direction play, considering this being the middle part of the range, then that probably wouldn't be horrible. I think I can handle that. I think I've made my decision on that, guys. Two directions on the M and Q here. Starting with a slight long bias. Starting right now. Two directions, M and Q with slight long bias. Starting right now. All right. There's just nothing to do on the ES. Longs here. Does look short for now. Like I said earlier, though, if it stays above the pivot, I'm pretty happy with it. I could probably stack my contracts up a little bit here better. Maybe bring this next one down to this swing. Bring a couple down here to these swings. So I don't get too heavy on contracts here. Take that fourth one, it'd be fine with me. Mullimania. Good morning. Knock that log. WD in the house. Well, he is here. Yeah. Baby, it's gone outside. Mm, might be a long. Come up here on the ES in a second. Oh yeah, Boss Hog's around. He's just dealing with some personal stuff. PBR, what's up, buddy? You guys? Oh yeah, can't get rid of Boss Hog. Might be. Sometimes he is. He's like Santa Claus for traders. He's like Santa Claus for traders. uh, think about it. It's like he sees you when you're sleeping. Just sounds creepy. There's the long targets off on the ES. I did call it. It's my first day on the job. First day of the job. Clock is right twice a day. I want to do something fancy. Stack up a couple of these short orders. Down about where I want to get short on some of the stuff. Targets. Anybody do the long on the ES that I called? Anybody at all? That was your one chance, one opportunity. That's all you're getting this morning. That was it. Little long call. I didn't even take it myself. It was a scalp, all right. MNQ long? Okay. Okay. What's your just taking those targets, baby? That's it. Just taking those targets. I can get the other eval traded somehow today. What? Oh yeah, yeah. This is just too slow. Too slow. I don't think you're gonna miss much. I really don't think so. Guys, we're gonna push this like maybe to 10. Is it nobody's gonna be upset about that, is it? Is it maybe a little bit after 10? Maybe we'll peek back in this afternoon. But I mean, we're doing about the best thing we can do here with Tick Century. Let it bounce up and down and take a target, take a contract, take a target. I mean, at this point, I almost have to be done with this. Guys, I can't do this anymore. I'm gonna take my profits on that one too. What else are we gonna do? Let's see if it moves now. Paul's gonna be like 4 contracts deep on the drop in market. Are you talking about the other fib levels, Mullimania? Don't try to get a PR today. No personal records today, guys. But now we kind of have to start looking shorts there. I hope Paul put something in on that and isn't getting burnt. You guys closed out with me, right? I hope you did. Yeah. If I turn off mine, you guys probably a good idea to turn yours off. And here's, you want me to tell you what I saw? I saw it starting to cool up here, and I was like, nope, there's gonna be a breakout, and I don't be stuck holding the holding the bag there. I don't know. We can do it tomorrow or next day. Any day is good with me. I got a couple things I got to do this morning, but other than that, I'm freer this afternoon. I have to do a mandatory coffee break. You didn't say in that two-way trade, did you? Paul's talking on mute, and he's saying yes, he did. Yeah, I was like, that was your number this morning anyway. And 50 cents. That 50 cent make a big difference on the MQ. Okay, double bottom there. Do we attempt this long on the ES now? It's sitting on the pivot there. A pity to pivot. Pity to pivot. And Grace just came up. All right, I'm not gonna take that long. It is a long setting up there. If you guys want to take it, I'm gonna sit on the sidelines, go do my mandatory coffee break, come back, start thinking about shorts with the Tick Century on the other account. All right, there you go. Stretch got the long. Guys, I don't think we stick around much longer for this stuff. Yep. Maybe I can go the other account and do 2 ways on that. Yeah. Is that long working out for you there, Stretch? Well, there's a nice little long that I called for you guys. There's your one trade today. Wasn't very pretty though. Was not very pretty. That's why I don't trade them. That's why I don't do it. Mm-hmm. All right. Well.
This is educational content only. Liberty Trading Club is not a financial advisor. Everything you see here is for learning purposes only. Remember, trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So always do your own research and trade wisely.